It's Monday, and you know what that means? I bought more stuff to show you. Let's go! Welcome to Bullman Built RC if you've never been here before, and welcome back if you have. Today is Mailbox Monday. Basically, I get a bunch of crap in the mail, and I show you guys, and you all comment on it and do stuff, and ooh and ah. So let's do it. First up, I went to the Walmart and got myself some staples. I bought a stapler.
But then they switched from the swing line to the Boston stapler, but I kept my swing line stapler because it didn't bind up as much, and I kept the staples for the swing line stapler.
Like, I don't know, probably a year ago, and it's never had staples in it, and I just keep telling myself, you know, I really need to buy staples for that stapler so that way I can staple things, and never did. So I finally went and bought some staples, and then I put them in my stapler, and now I can staple things. Stapler.
Yep. Okay. I could set the building on fire.
Next! From the Amazon the other day, I got some servos. I borrowed a couple servos from Jordan and then sold the truck they were in, so I had to replace them, which he knew about to begin with. But I got 4 of the low-profile PBI-4409MG. These are just little low-profile servos that I kind of use for mocking things up, and then if I really like it, sometimes I replace them, sometimes I don't. I also got a 35 kilogram steering servo that I gave to him that I obviously can't show you. There, I'll put it on the screen there. Here you go. I got one of those, and it was super cool. Next, I got the Protoform RTC lightweight clear body for oval. I didn't even care if I won this thing. I got this one on eBay. I bought a few of them, and dude combined shipping, so this thing went literally for like, I think I won this for $1. I'm not sure what I'll do with it. I may throw it in a box and see what happens. I may cut it up for panels. I don't know, but I got this one. And then I also got a Proline Silverado 2021 Chevy 2500 HD clear body for eRevo 2.0 and Max with body mounts. This has no body mounts, actually, and it also has no window stickers, no decals, anything. So this is basically just a body with nothing in it. Not real sure what I'm going to do. I can make window masks. That's not a huge deal. The decals and stuff are really what kill me as far as trying to make things look decent. This could get chopped up for body panels, or it could go in a box. I don't really see myself needing it anytime soon, so it'll probably just go in a box at least for a little bit. If idea strikes me, then I guess maybe I'll chop it up. I got this cheap as well, so I don't really care to do either one of those. Next, I got a package from RC Express. I do not remember what this is, so let's find out together. Oh, my knuckles. Okay. All right, these are Hot Racing aluminum front upright knuckle set for a CC01. I robbed my CC01 Amigo of some parts and put them on the RC Everyday shop truck. The knuckles that are on there are the god-awfulest blue color that I think I've ever seen, and I like these better. I'll put those other knuckles maybe back on the chassis. I am just going to use the Amigo body, so I don't need the rest of it, so I may end up just selling the CC01 chassis as like a roller slider kind of thing, whatever you want to call it. I'm pretty sure it's a lowrider version. I'm not sure. I have to look. Anyway, I'll post it in my group, which is now a good time to tell you, if you want to follow more things that I do, check out the Bullman Built RC group on Facebook. Literally just search Bullman Built RC. You can also check me out on Instagram, Bullman Built RC. And then I also have a page on Facebook, Bullman Built RC. I make it pretty simple. So, check those out. Follow me. You'll see stuff that I sell, all that jazz, before anybody else does, etc., etc. Check it out. Next, more truck bodies. I bid on this guy on eBay. It is a 72 Chevy to fit the T-Max, E-Max, etc., etc. It does have window masks. It does have decals. I bid this up and expected someone to snipe me out of it, but no one did. I got this for like 20 bucks shipped after taxes and everything, so I am pretty happy about that. No plan for it, just figured it's a cheap body and I'd pick it up. I also got a J Concept 79 Ford F-250 Super Cab. does have the decals with it. I don't know if it has, yeah, it does have window masks. I don't have a plan for this thing either, but this is a monster truck body, so it is kind of narrow, which only lends itself to monster truck things, or maybe a buggy, I don't know. I got this pretty cheap as well, so I'll probably just throw it in a box until something hits me. And then the body that I was most excited about, but was most upset about when I opened it, this is an 84 Ford F-250. Now, he didn't say that this is the one that fits the 10 3/4 inch wheelbase. I thought this was the one that was basically the crawler body for a 12.3 that was discontinued a couple years ago. I've been looking for another clear one of those for a while. I have one that's painted that I've actually had for a long time that was on a TRX4 and things like that. But I thought I was getting another one, and this is what I got. So much smaller. Once again, no idea what I'm going to do with it, but I'll throw it in a box until something strikes me. Next! RC 4-wheel drive. No, don't remember what this is. I don't even know how the hell you open this box. This way. There we go. It's open now. This is, what are these? Oh, nice. Okay, I remember this now. I got the KC Daylighter light set. This was actually on sale. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but it was like 60% off, 70% off, something like that. So I picked them up. I don't know. They can go on something cool, I'm sure. I did not realize this is what they look like. They've got like little metal slidey pin things and tiny little screws and stuff. Not sure where that'll go, but for right now, it'll go right over here on the wall. Next! Got a box from the Amazon. Let's see what we got in here. Oh, sick. Okay, cool. I forgot about this thing. Cool. I bought a 5-inch digital angle finder, or a Repetiteur d'angles numérique 5 whatever that means. I don't know if I pronounced that correctly, but anywho, Jordan had one of these, brought it over, and was very helpful. So I went ahead and got one. The reason it had lithium battery things is because there's a little battery in the back. But it's an angle finder. You put it and you do, like, you know, Pac-Man and see where it is. And then you find your angle, and then you can replicate that angle, or try to replicate that angle, which is probably what I'll end up doing, and not getting close and throwing things and all that stuff. So I got that. Next, from Stock Car Steel, I got some more tubing. This is a big ass roll for one. There we go. I got this. It is 80 pieces, I think. 60? I don't remember. I think it might be 60, maybe 80 pieces of 2-foot 3/16 by 35 thousandths wall, I believe is what this is. I was getting them in 4-foot sections, but the shipping is much cheaper to get the same footage, but in a 2-foot section. And I really don't need 4-foot sections because most of the time I'm cutting it down to 18 inches or something along those lines. So I went ahead and just got 2-foot sections. This thing from Stock Car Steel, which I believe is in Illinois, something like that. They're relatively close. Anyway, 2-foot sections of this was like $8 to ship this whole thing. And this thing probably weighs, I don't know, 10 pounds or so. It is a lot of steel tubing. If you're checking this out, hydraulic tubing from Stock Car Steel, 3/16, which is 0.188, and then you get the wall and you get it, and you know it shows up to your house and everything's all happy-go-lucky, hunky-dory. So I got that. We'll be building some tubers in the future, so this is much-needed materials, obviously. Duh. Next, stay tuned for the bloopers for one, and make sure, like I said, to check me out on Facebook groups, and Instagram, Bullman Built RC across the board. Check me out live Monday nights on YouTube at 7 p.m. Eastern, and I thoroughly appreciate everyone that watched this video. So, for now, I will see you later. Bye! Didn't like that at all. Yeah. Amazon. This could be God only knows what. Okay. I got this for just like everything else. I can make window stickers or shit. Get some water first before thought you were gonna get out of here without a burp. You're crazy. I also got a 35 in the Amazon the other day. Oops, no. There you go. Okay. Something about stapler and office space.